Having an employment agreement out there that will clearly sets out the terms and conditions of the employment arrangement that you enter into with your employee. We've had one plug for business.gov, here's another one and for another tool, and that's the Employment Agreement Builder. Yeah, this is a fantastic tool that will help guide you through the process of tailoring employment agreements to the specific needs of your business. And so my second plug, the employment.gov website, is also a fantastic source of information.
As an employer, there's 3 things that we want to just touch on today to try and help you manage your business in regards to ACC. The first one is around having good health and safety processes as well as managing return to work. As an employer, any accidents that happen under your jurisdiction, you're responsible for. You're going to receive an experience rating from ACC, which will either be a discount or potentially a loading based on your experience. So the better health and safety processes that you have in place, and that's not just preventing injuries, but also managing the return to work, I really encourage you to come and have a chat to us about what processes you can put in place to manage those better. Number 2, your classification unit. Whether you're new to business or whether you have been in business for a long time, it's crucial to make sure that the classification unit that we're charging your levies on is correct. Lastly, we have a product available for self-employed people, also for shareholder employees that are non-PAYE. It has been designed specifically for you, and it's an agreed value product where you can nominate how much cover you want from ACC, rather than be at the mercy of how your income may fluctuate from year to year. Because you don't just have a default product, you actually have an insurance that you can tailor to your needs.
I'm going to give you some basic tips around health and safety for your guys, small businesses in your operation. It's about first understanding the risks specific to your business, starting with what could cause people serious injury, illness or death. What those risks look like depend on the work that you do, where you do it and the people involved. Next, it's about managing those risks proportionately. It's not about eliminating every risk at every cost. If your business creates relatively low-level risks, you may find fairly simple, effective ways of taking proportionate action. So for WorkSafe New Zealand, we're looking for evidence that you understand your key health and safety risks of your operation, that you have effective processes and practices in place to minimise those risks if they can't be eliminated, that your workers understand these risks too, and that you make it easy for them to discuss and any improvements that can be made.
In this year's budget, the government announced a package of tax proposals, including a new pay-as-you-earn option for provisional tax. It is called AIM, the Accounting Income Method. So instead of paying provisional tax in 3 instalments during the year, you will be able to make regular payments during that current year's accounting income.